Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'd like to show you how you can find your saved posts on Instagram. Saving posts is perfect for when you don't have a lot of time on your hands, want to bundle everything together and read it all in one go, or just want to remind yourself of an outfit, meme, whatever later on, so you can share it to your BFF, significant other, family member. As I talked about in my previous video, how to save an Instagram post for later, you can save posts into collections to make them easier to find, and you can even create Instagram guides with your collections of saved posts too. I personally think Instagram guides are a great way to show some love to other accounts, and to bundle other people's useful content with yours. But all of that is only useful when you know how to find those posts you're saving. So, let's find them. Start on your profile, then hit the three-lined menu in the top right-hand corner. As you can see, a pop-up will appear from the bottom of the screen, with a number of options. The one you want, to find your saved posts, is the option that says Saved. The icon for your saved posts in this menu is the same as the icon for saving posts underneath Instagram content. As you can see, your saved posts are separated into all posts, the different collections you have created, and also audio. All posts, as the name suggests, contains all of the posts you have saved on Instagram. Those saved posts will stay there until you physically remove them yourself. As you can see, I have quite a lot in mine. It takes a while for me to scroll through them all. These saved posts are shown here in the order that you have saved them. The most recent post you saved will be the first one that appears, much in the same way that posts are shown on your profile page. Your collections of posts are saved in the same way. You will only find saved posts in a collection when you have specifically put it there. You can see how many individual posts are in each collection, at the top. This is not shown to you for all posts. Your audio folder shows you all of the audio you have saved on Instagram, such as from reels you have watched. And that's that. You now know where to find all of your saved posts, collections, and saved audio on Instagram. I hope you found this video useful today, but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.